terms of performance, I would say that its ability to deal with heterogeneous clot, being acute, subacute, or more chronic in a similarly effective way, it's kind of what sets it apart. What do you think, Dean?
I agree. I mean, I think that it's a device that can be used in multiple territories and effectively, and I think it also is atraumatic. I don't think we see any problems related to device use, even in more chronically diseased vessels that need thrombectomy. Dynamic use in different vessel sizes really helps thrombectomize patients pretty quickly and easily. I think it's very efficient and quick as far as its setup and delivery. So that allows for things to happen in a very timely fashion in the cath lab without really slowing down a procedure.